Welcome to AdeLinaArtsGallery. Har Har Mahadev. With this name, I tried to draw this beautiful picture of Lord Shiva. Now let's start the video. First, I drew a beautiful outline of Lord Shiva. The outline is complete. Now it's time to color. Let's start coloring. First, I wet Shiva's face with water, then spread the light blue paint on it. Similarly, the light blue color is given to other parts of the body. The dark areas of the body are marked a little darker. Beads on the neck are now painted with a mixture of yellow ochre and brown. it's time to color the hair. First, the color black is used light. Then it was applied in a deep way. If you like this video, then please do like, comment, share and subscribe. him to make clouds. Then spread the light orange color in the background. Then the rays are represented by mixing white with light yellow. Painting of Shiva, then comment Har Har Mahadev.